Hello, this is SAVOX Andy. So last time I showed you the new package. This time I want to show you the SAVOX new decal sheet. So here is the old decal sheet and warranty card. This time we're together the decal sheet and the warranty card in the same piece. I will also show you the difference is this special decal in here. I will show you the difference. So first I want to show you the quality for the decal we have to improve. So there's an old decal already in a very good quality. And here is a new decal. So you can see it's more clear. We have a more white on the SERVO logo. And also we have a special decal in here. I will show you what is how to use that. So there's a SAVOX new direct power servo SW2294. So we have two wires. One is a power, one is a signal. This one, it can help you to mark. Will help you to mark the wire. So you can say there's a signal wire. So it's a marking decal. So you can mark with this decal. So there is a SAVOX new decal sheet.